Yeah, I was looking for a landscaper to finish this project. It's a 1 acre property here. So I need irrigation installed. I need, artificial turf installed, retaining walls, lots of things with anything landscape design, all the plants and trees. So I reached out to the landscape supplier, the commercial landscape supplier, and they provided me with Streamline. And I reached out to Spencer and talked to Warren, and they came out, walked through the project with me and gave me ideas, and so far it's been an awesome experience. They do exactly what they say. And one thing I've been really impressed with is how knowledgeable they are with almost everything landscape requires. So whether custom flower bed steel edging to installing trees a certain way so that they'll cross later, and it's been an amazing experience. So I've been really blown away, so much so that I now have them doing my commercial business as well. So, yeah.